Sir, dahan-dahan po ah. Baka mahulog kayo, sir. So,
I'm so glad I have you in my life, Peter. Paano kung wala ka?
sir, ikaw yung paborito kong boss eh. Kasi mabait ka.
If all my exes were like you, I'd be one happy man.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Maybe this is where we're supposed to be. What the hell do you think you're doing? Ha?
Sir, sabi mo,
Sabi ko ano?
akala ko kasi...
Ano akala mo? Akala mo papatulang kita? I am a Palacios. I am the next CEO of our company. I don't sleep with help. Akala mo talaga papatulang kita? At ano, bibigyan kita ng pera? I will sponsor someone like you? Know your place here, Peter. You're nothing but the help.
Tatahimik na rin yung kaluluwa ni Sir Basil.
At hindi siguro yung pinag-awayan ng dalawa, no? Kaya nagawang lasunin ni Francis Sir Basil.
Hindi lang matindi. Gago yung amo mo. Kaya maraming galit dyan eh. Buti nga sa kanya.
Teka. Galit ka ba kay Sir Basil? Baka ikaw yung naglason sa kanya.
Hindi.